Okay. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, Kenyans. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, Kenyans. I'm Babu Owino, an advocate of the High Court and a member of Parliament for Embakasi East constituency. I'm here with a battery of advocates, lawyers, like-minded lawyers, and we've come up with an initiative, an initiative that will ensure that we fight for the inherent and inalienable rights of Kenyans, Kenyans who are suffering, Kenyans who can't afford legal fees, Kenyans who are less fortunate, the forgotten in the society, downtrodden in our community, Kenyans who are being oppressed on a daily basis but have no means. A Kenyan who wakes up very early in the morning with an intention to get the next rent but can't get, with an intention to pay school fees for their children but can't do so because they lack jobs. A Kenyan who is suffering on a daily basis. We therefore decided as advocates to come together and help such Kenyans to handle certain matters in court. Cases which are involving the matatu drivers and conductors, whenever they have problems, challenges, these advocates that you are seeing here will be helping them in courts for free, on pro bono. Cases involving hawkers who wake up struggling on a daily basis, go back to their houses without anything. These advocates are here for you. They will be assisting you in different courts within the country. Cases involving boda riders being arrested because they don't have helmet, some because they don't have insurance. Not that we are promoting that you don't have to put on your helmets or you don't have to ride a boda without insurance. You should be following the law. But you will be our client and we'll assist you in case the rubber meets the road. Squatters or forceful evictions. If the government wants to take away your land, there are legal channels, legal processes that should be used. And if the government is interested in your land and it is a private land, we know that there's the conversion of that private land into a public property and compensation that should follow thereafter. We are also aware that if you stay in a parcel of land for over 12 years through adverse possession, you can be the legal owner of that property. But if the government wants to forcefully evict you from that property, we will be your lawyers. Uber, we know that these online drivers are really suffering. They have various challenges. There are Uber drivers who have passed on because of depression. There's a gentleman who passed on along Kangundo Road. Looking at the car, a blanket was found in the car because this Uber driver had taken a loan. This Uber driver had other needs to take care of, and this Uber driver was depressed because there was no money to take care of all these needs. So these Uber drivers are frustrated on a daily basis by police officers. So these are some of the cases involving traffic cases. We will be there for you. Those who are taking changa and selling changa, drunk and disorderly, will be there for you. Personally, I'm a product of changa. I know in certain areas you might think that Babu Owino is promoting consumption of changa. But so long as you drink a little and you leave your eyes to see where you are going. These cases of changa, they are so rampant, and police officers do frustrate changa sellers, those who are also having their private time, just enjoying changa, and are frustrated. Personally, I was arrested on the day, a day to my KCSE biology practicals, just because I was selling changa. Slept in a cell, went to do exams the following day, and you can imagine what could have happened if God never blessed me with the brains. So we will help you, changa sellers and changa drinkers. We are there for you. We will not judge you. Yeah, for those who are in excess consumption of changa, we will also advise you on what you should do. To our comrades in various universities and institutions of higher learning, we know you go through a lot. Probably you are the only breadwinner, a person that is being looked up to by a whole society, that should you one day graduate and get a job, you will help a whole village, a whole community. Then, while at the university, your process of education is terminated by the university administration. So those students who are suspended and or expelled, we are there for you. We are going to take you back to universities or institutions of higher learning. To victims of protests, we know what the Constitution talks about, a right to protest, to assembly. We will be there for you. Hizi mambo za maandamano, we know what maandamano has done, including taking away, chasing away, that is in Article 37, chasing away the whites. It was because of maandamano. Getting multi-party system, it was because of maandamano. The Gen Z protest that fought against the infamous finance bill 2025. It was maandamano. Even these waziris who are enjoying now, it is maandamano that gave them jobs. So maandamano is not bad, so long as it is used constructively. So we will fight for you in different courts, wherever you are. And that is combined with the unlawful assembly. So we will handle these specific cases as advocates, and we will ensure that we protect your rights of doing all this. I will take this opportunity to introduce the advocates who are here, and I'll give them an opportunity to address you as Kenyans. We have a team, a very big team of advocates, battery of lawyers who will be handling these cases. And we are still open. There are so many that we'll still recruit. But this, we are doing it because of you Kenyans. So we have Terry Kavuli. She is here. We have Jacob Oruko Were, advocate of the High Court and all other courts. We have Iza Ngwono. He is here. We have Tukundungu, Mwenda Kirima, Advocate Jim Ochieng, Advocate Steve Muriira, Advocate Emmanuel Ochola, Advocate John Maina Ndegwa, Advocate Grace Mwende, Advocate Philip Maio, Advocate Ian Nyanchoga, Advocate Abna Mango, top city lawyer, Advocate Nurdin Kagai, Advocate Pius Oyo. We will also communicate on how you will get us, because we know you have different cases. We will give you at least 2 or 3 phone numbers plus an email address where you will communicate with us if you have a challenge anywhere in any court. We'll also be going around the country. We'll be doing different courts together so that we can fight for you as Kenyans. So I want to take this opportunity to give these advocates an opportunity to address you, starting with Terry Kavuli.
Good evening, Kenyans. As Mheshimiwa has said, we are here for you in whatever capacity, no judgment, just justice. Thank you.
Abna?
Yes, good evening, Kenyans, and we are here for the whole Holoi Polois. We are here for the downtrodden, and we are giving the Office of the Director of Public Prosecution notice that any ikakas and incronyitable charge we shall deal with, we shall defend, and as you know, the defense never rests. See you in court.
Okay.
My name is Steve Morera. We met as a young and like-minded council. We want to serve the country. We are here to serve the country, and we are here for you.
Good evening, Kenyans. As Mheshimiwa said, we are all able advocates, and we are here to represent you, and we'll ensure that justice is not only seen to be done, but justice is done to all of you.
Good evening, Kenyans. Once again, I'm Grace Mwende, and the message that we want to give is that there is no voice that is too low for the courts of justice to hear. We shall assist everyone in courtrooms and in negotiation rooms, and we believe that we shall work together. Thank you.
Good evening, Kenyans. My name is Jacob Ruto, and I just wish to reiterate that access to poverty should not hinder your access to justice. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Kenyans, we want to highlight a very specific issue, and we want to indicate that we shall seek for justice for everyone. We shall not look at any classism, status, no matter what you're going through, no matter what you have. We shall ensure that we protect your rights in every sort of way and in any manner that is within the Constitution of Kenya. Thank you so much.
Good evening, Kenyans. I appear by Evans Mwenda Kirima. We want to inject justice. Those people who have never, you understand the word inject from way before. We want now to help them. We are here for you. Msikuwe na uoga, tuko na nyinyi bwana.
I'm John Maina Ndegwa. We are here to ensure you get justice.
I'm Ivan Suchieng. We are here to serve you.
Good evening, Kenyans. Just as my colleagues have said, every Kenyan has a right to legal representation, but the only problem that ages most Kenyans from accessing this right is normally the shilling. With the initiative of Mheshimiwa, at least we have come together to make sure that most, if not all Kenyans, get access to justice through their right to legal representation. See you in court.
Good evening, Kenyans. My name is Nordin Kagai, an advocate at the High Court of Kenya and a member of this Pro Bono Publico Chambers that is officially open. We are here to offer legal representation, and legal representation is now at your doorstep. Welcome to the legal kiosk.
Kenyans, once again, my name is Ian Nyanchoga. Thank you so much, Mheshimiwa, for bringing this team together. As provided for by the Constitution, the right to access to representation is a key cornerstone to what the Constitution stands for, and that is the reason we are all here together. So our goal here is to ensure that even the downtrodden Kenyan has access to representation. Thank you.
Right. Once again, I'm Philip Mayo. I'd like to say that injustice anywhere is a threat to justice everywhere. In furtherance of the protection of Kenyans' civil liberties, we shall offer our services to all and sundry. Whether indigent or destitute, come to us whenever you need, and we shall be there. Thank you.
Thank you, Kenyans. I want to thank you very much for listening, and let us meet in court. We will communicate our contacts, how you will get us. So don't be worried. Kazi ndio inaanza. Thank you and God bless you.
Asante.
Asante.